Hello everybody for this exercise about the present continuous. 20 questions and 10 seconds for each. Share your score at the end. Like and subscribe after if you want. Let's get started. Question 1. She, to run, to catch the bus right now. The answer is A. She is running to catch the bus right now. Question 2. They, not to watch TV at the moment. The answer is B. They are not watching TV at the moment. Question 3. You, study for your exam? The answer is A. Are you studying for your exam? Question 4. He, to play video games every day after school. The answer is C. He plays video games every day after school. We use the present simple here because this is a habit. Question 5. We, to go to the cinema tonight. The answer is B. We are going to the cinema tonight. Question 6. It, to rain heavily right now. The answer is A. It is raining heavily right now. Question 7. I, not to read this book at the moment. The answer is B. I am not reading this book at the moment. Question 8. She, to play the piano right now? The answer is C. Is she playing the piano right now? Question 9. They, not to come to the party tomorrow. The answer is A. They are not coming to the party tomorrow. Question 10. Why, you to wear a coat? It's warm outside. The answer is B. Why are you wearing a coat? It's warm outside. Question 11. He, not to eat his lunch right now. The answer is A. He is not eating his lunch right now. Question 12. We, to make plans for the weekend. The answer is C. We are making plans for the weekend. Question 13. They, to wait for the bus now? The answer is A. Are they waiting for the bus now? Question 14. The cat. To sleep under the bed right now. The answer is A. The cat is sleeping under the bed right now. Question 15. I. Not to drink coffee in the morning. The answer is C. I am not drinking coffee in the morning. Question 16. They. To move to a new house this month? The answer is C. Are they moving to a new house this month? Question 17. She. To travel to London every year. The answer is B. She travels to London every year. Once again, we use the present simple here because this is a habit. Question 18. We. Not to play football today because it's raining. The answer is C. We are not playing football today because it's raining. Question 19. It. To get dark already? The answer is A. Is it getting dark already? Question 20. She. To take a shower now, so she can't answer the phone. The answer is B. She is taking a shower now, so she can't answer the phone. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. And what quiz should we do next? I hope you enjoyed this test and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want. Pick your next challenge. See you.